If you're experiencing any kind of hair loss whatsoever, you need to know about this new technology that's available to you now. There's a book called Stop Additional Hair Loss that's also on audio if you'd rather just listen to a book. It gives you all the details about this new technology on how to stop additional hair loss. It also goes into detail, very refined detail, on a new technology on how to make your hair fuller while keeping your own hair safe and healthy, and while using all your own hair. And the more you know about the details of this technology, the more clarity you'll have in reference to how to stop additional hair loss and how to make your hair fuller while using all your own hair and keeping it safe and healthy.